In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to share location on Instagram story. Go to your Instagram, tap this plus icon, select story, and you can capture a photo or video for the story. You can tap this upload and you can select a photo or video from your gallery for the story. So I'm selecting this photo for example. Now, to add your location in this right hand menu, select sticker and here select location. Tap on OK. And now you can select any location from this suggested location list. Or you can use the search location box to find out the exact location to share. So I'm selecting this location, tapping on add. We can see the location add date. You can pinch the location to make it large or small. And you can tap the location to change it color. Once you're happy, just go ahead and post the story with your location. That's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.